In this video, we'll show you what to do if the notification sound is not working on your Android phone. So to fix this, first open the quick settings panel. Now here make sure that the do not disturb mode is turned off. If it is on, simply turn it off from here. Next, go to the settings app. Now here tap on sounds and vibration. Now make sure your phone is set to sound mode and not vibrate or mute. So make sure to select sound from here. Next, go to notification sound. Now select a different notification sound from here. Just make sure you don't select silent. Additionally, you can use the volume slider at the bottom to increase the volume level. Now go back to the main settings page and then tap on notifications. Here tap on advanced settings. Now in this menu tap on notification history. Now here you will see all the alerts that you have received recently. Simply tap on the app for which you are not receiving notification sound. So for instance, if X is not playing notification sound, I can simply long press on it and it will immediately take me to this particular menu. Here make sure you have selected this alert option and not the silent option. So make sure to set it to alert and check the notification sound here as well. So simply select a different sound from the list. However, if nothing else works, what you can do is turn off Bluetooth on your Android phone. So if your phone is connected to a Bluetooth headphones or a smartwatch, your notification sound may play there instead of on your phone. So make sure to turn off Bluetooth temporarily and see if that fixes the issue. However, if nothing else works, you can simply restart your Android phone and it will hopefully solve the issue. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.